All right, guys, here's a quick recipe. If you're not comfortable with shucking, get your grill really hot. Lay them in the grooves. I don't want them tilted over, right? Because when these pop open, I want the liqueur to stay in. So I like to keep them in between to keep them nice and vertical. And these will open up in about 3 minutes, right? The heat boils the liqueur and that forces them open. And what I've made, these are called barbecued oysters. In here, made a little bit of just simple garlic scallion butter. So once they pop open, we just cover it with a little bit of this. You don't need really salt and pepper, right? Because the salt comes with the oyster. Put this on, they are luscious, guaranteed. Stick around. All right, guys, so after 3 minutes, check these out. Look at these oysters, see? They crack open, right? That's what I want, right? Like that. Now, let's get these off. You see, it just, liqueur boils up and these things get steamed open. Then what we do is you just take off the top like this, okay? Really easy. This is called auto shuck, right? No way of ever hurting myself because I'm just letting physics do its job. Because once it boils, but you can tell these oysters are still really nice and plump, right? You don't want to overcook. You want to have that liqueur left. Then take a little bit of your garlic butter with some scallions, and boom, those are barbecue oysters. And yes, just to make sure they're good. And they're hot. I love raw oysters, but man, I love these too. Go get shucking or not shucking. Enjoy.